Last September, 22-year-old Steven Phipps Jr. was shot and killed by an Omaha police officer during a traffic stop for expired plates. What could have been a routine stop turned fatal. And now his family is taking action, hoping to prevent another tragedy and spark change. On September 28, 2024, a routine traffic stop near 31st and Taylor turned deadly. Steven Phipps Jr. got out of his car and ran. As he tried to jump a fence, police say he pulled out a gun. That's when Officer Noah Zendejas fired 8 times. Now, the Phipps family wants others to learn from what happened.
And just saving lives, hopefully, in the long run, that's what I ultimately want this project to turn out to do for someone who is unaware.
Angela Phipps, Steven's aunt, says a lack of knowledge can be deadly, and she wants to change that.
That it can happen. What happened to him can honestly happen to anyone who is misinformed. It could be anyone in that situation. So I just overall just want to bring awareness to those who may not think that they need it.
The Phipps family is teaming up with community advocate Leo Lewis II to launch a series of courses on legal rights and police interaction.
Such as rolling your window down when you're pulled over by a police officer, actually handing them your identification when they ask for it, and not asking a lot of questions, but really understanding that they have a role to play and that I have a role to play as a citizen.
The course launches May 23rd at the Essential Gathering Place on North 42nd in North Omaha. It includes presentations from the Omaha Police Department on traffic stops, attorneys explaining your rights, and help with registration and tags.
Oftentimes in our communities, there aren't attorneys, there aren't a whole lot of police, there aren't a whole lot of people who work even in the system at all.
Sir Wayne Wardlow, an attorney, says fear doesn't have to define the relationship with law enforcement.
I mean, if you were born and raised in North Omaha, you're going to have family, friends who may have they may have interacted with the system in a negative way, right? So those become our perspectives, unfortunately.
Honestly, I'm thankful for everyone who is involved in keeping my nephew's memory alive. That was the biggest thing for me, just not allowing him to die in vain.
In October, District Attorney Don Klein ruled the officer's actions were justified. The case remains under grand jury review as required by Nebraska law in cases like this.